Hi, I'm Dr. Sivaranjini Santosh. I am a pediatrician. What is this multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children? Why do parents need to know about it? So what would a normal parent do after his or her child recovers from the coronavirus infection? They would just relax. But no, dear parents, you need to be vigilant for the next 4 weeks. Why? Because of this entity called the multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children. This can happen anytime within the 4-week period after the child tests positive or develops symptoms of the coronavirus infection, or within the 4-week period after the child's latest contact with a person affected with the coronavirus disease. So, why is it so important to know about it? This syndrome can really affect the child seriously. It can affect every organ of the body, including the heart. It can cause something called aneurysms in the blood vessels of the heart. It can even affect the brain, eyesight, kidneys, every organ of the body, and it can result in serious complications including death if not recognized early and if not treated early. Okay, so what is the treatment for this? So there is something called IV immunoglobulin, and then steroids may be necessary, and medicines to prevent blood from clotting too much. Blood thinners, that's what you must be knowing them as. They may be necessary. The child may need to be hospitalized. So all this may be needed. So how do we identify it? So within this 4-week period that I had mentioned about, if your child develops fever again, especially a fever lasting for more than 24 to 72 hours, especially above 100.8 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees centigrade, especially associated with severe stomach pain, vomiting, diarrhea, severe headache, blurring of vision, or redness of eyes, redness of tongue, swelling in the neck, rash all over the body, peeling of skin of the fingertips. It is imperative that you consult the pediatrician immediately. So the pediatrician may order some blood tests. Of course, the pediatrician needs to check the child and order some blood tests and plan the treatment accordingly. Early initiation of treatment will ensure that the child comes out of this without complications. Though this syndrome is not very common, yes, we are seeing it more and more commonly nowadays, with more and more children getting coronavirus infection. This is more common in the 10-year age group. Nevertheless, it can happen even to a newborn and even up to 21 years of age. Something similar to this can even happen with adults. That's called multi-system inflammatory syndrome in adults. So dear parents, don't be complacent. Even if your child has recovered from coronavirus infection, any fever in the subsequent 4 weeks or any fever in the 4 weeks following your child's last contact with a person with COVID, please do contact the pediatrician and take good advice. Thank you.